Hello everyone, I'm Hilary Chin. I want to teach you how to use styles in Word document. Right here, I have my document here. I have the main heading, I have the subheadings here. We have carbohydrate here and types of carbohydrate. We have fruits and types of fruit, vegetables and type of vegetables. Okay, so I want to apply styles. Normally, I would come here to this header here and I select. And I go up here, maybe I make it bigger or I make it smaller or I change the colors or I highlight it. Okay, but if we have to do this to many headers, it's going to take a lot of time. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just press my control key down, and then I highlight all the headers that I want to change or that I want to make changes. You see, I've highlighted 3 of the headers, 1 2 3. So if I come here now to these styles here and I begin to choose, you see, automatically it applies to the different headers. You see, it begins to apply to the different headers. You see, so let's say I want to choose this one. You see, it gives me a unique style here. Okay, it helps you to work coherently with your document and also make your document, beautify your documents. Okay, this is how you can apply styles. Also, what you can do here, after coming to this home, you can go beside here, it says change styles, and you click and you come to fonts. You see, you can change your fonts. You see, you can just select from any option here and you can change your fonts. You see that while I'm tossing around here, it's changing from here. You see, so this is it. You can also go to spacing and you see it says no spacing. It says, you see, each time I move from here, you see that it's affecting the text. Okay, it says tight, it says open, it says relax, it says double spacing. And this is just how you can apply style and do a whole lot with your document. Those of you who are working with large document, please, this is important for you to use this and work very quick with your document. There's also something we can do here. If I go up here and I go to references and I choose table of contents, maybe I want to apply my table of content here, and I just go here and I choose my table of content. These are the different table of contents that I have here. You see, if I choose this first one, you see, automatically brings my table of contents. It brings every header down here. You see, all this header, it automatically brings it up here and organize it for me very well. I can start editing. You see, I can start editing and changing some things in a way that I want, and also bring my document to a very professional look, and can send, or I can review with anyone that I want to.